Hey, everyone! In this video, you are going to learn how to create a professional, good-looking, and fun Discord server. I will teach you guys the step-by-step process to set up a server completely. You will learn how to set up roles and permissions effectively, reaction roles, embeds, server stat channels, auto-moderation, and much more. I have provided timestamps in the description so you can jump to a specific part of the video if you want. Also, I have provided all the links too in the description box that are used in the video. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I have some free stuff that can help you a lot with your Discord server setup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to plan everything so we can make the server easily without getting stuck anywhere. I have already planned everything. To plan, grab a pen and paper, and make a list of everything that you want in your server, like categories, channels, roles, bots, and all other stuff. Also, in this step, you need to decide your server theme as well, so it will be much easier for you to continue working on it based on that theme. In this step, we will create categories, channels, and roles. First, delete all the default categories and channels. Then, we will make categories and channels according to step number 1. To make the category, right-click on that sidebar and then select Create Category option from the menu, and to create a channel, click on the plus icon in front of the category name. Then on the next pop-up, select whether you want a text channel or voice channel and then name the channel and press enter on the keyboard. Also, I will pause the recording now, and make all the categories and channels behind the scene, and then I will show them to you guys. These are all the categories and channels that I have made behind the scene. Once you make all the categories and channels, click on the server name and then go to server settings. Now we will set up the roles. To set up the roles, please go to the Roles tab, then click on Create Role button. On the next screen, enter the role name and click on the Save button at the bottom. To create more roles, simply click the plus icon and follow the same procedure shown before. Also, if you want, you can drag the roles to reposition them. I will set up more roles behind the scene and then I will show you guys. Here are all the roles that I have made according to step number 1. To add the bot, go to top.gg and log in with your Discord account. And then allow top.gg access to your Discord account. After that, search for Arcane and add it to your server. I have some other bots suggestions as well that you should also add to your server. The first bot on the list is Saya. You can use this bot for lots of things like a welcome message, giveaways, fun stuff, message leaderboard, and much more. I like this bot, and honestly speaking, it's one of my favorite bots right now. The second bot on the list is Dank Memer. It's one of the most popular bots with currency features. The third one on the list is Invite Logger. You guys can use this bot to keep track of invites and giving invite roles to members. Trust me, this is the best invite spot, and also it is very easy to set up. The fourth one on the list is Groovy. You can add this bot to the server so all your members can enjoy their favorite music. The fifth bot on the list is YagPDB. You can use this bot for making reaction roles and much power stuff. The sixth and last bot on the list is EmbedBot. You can use this bot to make cool-looking embeds that can make your server much cooler. Make sure to add all of these bots before continuing to the next step. We are going to use some of them in the upcoming steps. Also, we will need some other bots too during this tutorial, so we will add them later. Now we need to set up role permissions. In order to set up them, go to Server Settings, and then navigate to the Roles tab. After that, click on the default role, also known as Everyone role, on top of your roles list to edit it. Now turn off Everyone and Roles ping permissions so that none of your members can ping everyone in the server or any role. Do the same with all public roles that your members will get. After that, go to the Administrator role and turn on Administrator permission. And then, give all the necessary moderation permissions to the Moderator role. Once you do this, make sure to turn on one more permission for all the roles that you want to be separately visible in the members list whenever people with those specific roles are online. Now go to Channel Settings and turn off Send a Message and add reaction permission of all the channels under Starter Guide, Announcements, and Miscellaneous so that members cannot send messages and add reactions in those channels. After that, go to the Staff category and set all the channels to private. Then give View Channel permission to Administrator and Moderator roles respectively. This way your members won't be able to see staff channels and only your staff will be able to see them. For moderation, Go to Server Settings and then the Moderation tab. Here set verification level, explicit media content filter, and also enable two-factor authentication requirement for moderators. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Discord account, then it will ask you for that temporary code as well before you can enable it. After that, go to your browser and then go to the ArcaneBot website because we are going to use this bot for auto moderation and we need to set up it. First, select the log channels. After that, set up whitelist roles for auto moderation. Make sure to only add staff roles to the whitelist, not public roles. Now once you have done that, set up all the auto moderation that you want. It's all up to you and what auto moderation you want in your server, but if you want you can copy my settings. For setting leveling roles, go to leveling. After that, add the reward roles that members will get upon reaching a specific level. You can add as many level roles as you want. There is no limit and it's all free. Here I will only add 5 reward roles. After that, if you want you can enable Voice XP, which will let members gain XP for levels while being in voice channels. Also, if you want you can set the custom level up message and specify a channel where you want level messages to be sent by the bot. I will go with the default option. After all this, go to Discord, then Server Settings, and then Roles tab. In the Roles tab, drag the Arcane role above the level roles because the bot role must be on top roles that the bot needs to assign to members. For making an invite system, we will use the Invite Logger bot. It's very simple to set up. To make invite reward roles, just simply type /add rank number of invites and then mention the role as shown in the video. You can set up as many invite reward roles for free as much as you want. For this tutorial, I will only make 5 invite reward roles. After adding reward invite roles, go to Server Settings and then the Roles tab. Now drag the Invite Logger role above invite roles. First, go to the staff category and clone the channel because we will need it to keep the banners that we want to use in embeds. After that, go to Channel Settings and give EmbedBot permission to send messages. Do this in all channels where you want to use embed. Now we will make 2 embeds. First, we will make an embed for animated banner embed. To make an embed, simply type embed create embed name. Now to add the banner, type embed set image and then copy paste the URL of the banner. After that, type embed send to send it. Using this same way you can make reaction roles embed, or you can follow the commands on the screen. This bot is very powerful when it comes to making embeds. To know more commands, type embed help and it will show you the list of all commands. After making embeds, go to the YAG-PDB control panel and log into your Discord account and then select your server. Now go to role commands. After that, we need to make groups for our reaction roles. Before we make groups, I would like to tell you about modes because they play a really important role in the role menu. So, by default, we have standard mode selected and you should keep it selected if you want members to choose multiple roles from any role menu. Next, we have a single mode, and as you can see 2 more options pop up when we selected a single mode. And I think they are self-explanatory, so that's why I will not explain them. The last one is multiple modes. It's similar to standard mode but advanced, and also we don't need it 99% of the time, so I will not talk about it. Now give a group name and select a mode that you think will work best for you, and after that create the group. Before we add any roles in the group, we need to go to Server Settings and place the bot role above the roles that we want to use for reaction roles. Then go to the dashboard and refresh it and select the group. Now to add, type the exact role name in the field and it will automatically select that role. After that, click that big green button. Repeat the same process to make as many roles as you want. After that, rearrange the roles in the group according to embed order. Let's go to Discord and go to User Account Settings and turn Developer Mode because we need it to copy MessageEd. Now go to the reaction role channel and type the command that you see on the screen to make reaction roles. Replace gender with your role command group that you have made. Also, replace the MessageEd in the end with your custom embed MessageEd. Now react to the message with the emojis that you have to choose. After that, delete all the messages from the channel so it looks clean. If you want, you can test the reaction roles by clicking on them. Now let's add some emotes to channel names so that our server looks really good and makes a good impression on new members. To add emojis, go to the Emojipedia website and then search the emojis that you want to use. After that, copy that emoji and go to your channel settings and paste that emote with your channel names. Do the same with all the channel names. Once you add emojis to all channels, open your browser again and go to this website. and from there copy a separator that you want to use between your channel names and emojis. Now go back to Discord, then go to channel settings and paste the separator between emoji and channel name without any space. Do the same for all the channels in your server. After adding separator to all channels, it's time to add some cool custom emojis. To add emojis, go to server settings, then the emoji tab. There press the upload emoji button and then select the emojis from your computer and add them. Before continuing, I want to give credit to some amazing and helpful members of my server who helped me with emotes. I am very thankful to them for helping me with emotes. Now let's add descriptions to all channels because they are really helpful. To add a description, just simply go to channel settings and add any description that you want. Now to make the description looks good, we can add emojis to them. You can't add emojis directly, so you need their ID number. To get their ID number, just simply type emoji name and then put / before emoji and hit enter. Now copy the emoji and paste it to the channel description. If you don't have Nitro and want to use animated emojis in channel description, then just simply type the exact emoji name and add full colons before and after the name. Then put / before name and press enter to get emoji id. And add it to the channel description. To make our roles look much more good, we can add custom colors to them. To add custom color, just follow the steps that are shown in this tutorial. You can any color hex code that you like for roles. You can find lots of amazing color hex codes on the internet. Add the custom colors to all your roles except bot roles. As you can see, now our roles look good to eyes. Now to make our roles look much more appealing to eyes, we can add categories between roles. Just make a new role and make it look the same as mine. Now, this is very important, make sure to add the same color hex as mine, otherwise it won't work. After that, drag your category role to its appropriate position. You can make categories for all kinds of roles like ping, colors, invite roles, etc. Now let's change the bot nicknames and add the bot prefix so members can easily use the bots. After that, let's add the bot roles to all bots and also add owner role to yourself. As you can see, now the members list looks good and colorful now. Let's make a welcome message now. And, for the welcome message, we will use the Saya bot. It's simple to set up a welcome message with Saya. Just follow the steps shown in the video. Also, you can set embeds and DM welcome messages too with Saya. Let's set up a Starboard. If you don't know about Starboard, let me tell you about it. Starboard is a feature that serves as a channel of messages that members of the server find funny, stupid, or both. To make the Starboard, follow the steps shown in the video. We will use Saya for Starboard as well because it's easy to set up Starboard with Saya. We can also use Saya to set up a boost message, so whenever someone boosts your server, you will get a custom boost message in the channel where you want it to be posted. Setting boost message with Saya is very easy. You can follow the steps that are shown in the video. If you want, you can assign a role to your new members upon joining. For this, we will use Arcane Bot because it just takes one click to set up an auto role with Arcane. Simply go to Role Management and add the role that you want to assign to members automatically when they join. After going to Discord, and then, go to Server Settings, then the Roles tab, and now drag the Arcane role above the role that you want to assign the member upon joining. After that, go back to the Arcane dashboard and turn off all the modules that we don't need. If you want to give more than one auto role upon join, then I have another bot for you. But first, turn off the Role Management module in Arcane so that Arcane and that other bot does not make problems with auto roles. After that, go to top.gg and add Me6. Now go to the dashboard of Me6 and turn off all the modules except the Welcomer. Now click on that module and add the roles that you want members to have when they join the server. You can add as many roles as you want. Once you add them all, go to your Discord server and drag the Me6 role above all the roles that you want the bot to assign to new members upon joining. Always, make sure to do that with all the bots that need to handle roles. Now let's make server stats channels. For this, we need to add a bot called Server Stats. This bot is very simple to set up. Once you add it, goes to the server and just simply run the commands that are shown in the tutorial to set up the stats channels. Once the bot finishes set up channels, then delete all the channels except members count. Now edit the channel, and after that, we will make goal channels so that your members can know your current goals and help you reach them. To set up a goal channel, follow the setups that are shown in the video, and then once the goal channel gets set up, edit it. I would recommend you also enable the community feature. To enable it, just simple go to server settings and then go enable community tab, then click on the get started button and simply follow the prompts or just follow the tutorial. After you enable the community feature, now go to all your announcement channels and turn on the announcement channel option. Now if you want to use the community feature to its fullest, then you can enable the welcome screen and membership screen. These two are very good and handy features. The welcome screen can help new members to easily navigate to the server channels and tell members about server channels. Whereas, member screen tells the member about server rules so they can read and accept them first before they start chatting. Now once all these things are done, just go to all channels one by one and purge everything in all channels so that your server looks clean when new members join. If you want a full setup custom server, want custom static or animated banners, want someone helps you with your server creation or revamping, then feel free to hire me for a small price. You can DM me on Discord to hire me, or if you want to know the details about prices. You can get the template of this server, animated banners, and emotes that I have used in this tutorial free from my freebie server. The link is available in the description. Also, if you are one of those people like me who like the Sciabot, then I have good news for you. Sciabot owner is a generous person and he is willing to give 1 month premium to 2 viewers of my channel. If you want a free 1 month premium of Sci, then make sure to enter the giveaway in my freebie server.